Kilalanin natin ang official and updated complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots para sa 2026 PBA 50th Commissioner's Cup. Point guards: Jerome Lastimosa, Rising Star, 5'11", 165 pounds, 27 years old, 13.1 points, 3.4 rebounds, 3.8 assists, 1.3 steals, 34% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Mark Baroka, veteran star, 5'10", 170 pounds, 39 years old, 10.4 points, 3.9 rebounds, 5.3 assists, 0.6 steals, 26% 3-point shooter, 85% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Gab Gomez, rookie, 5'11", 175 pounds, 25 years old, 0.6 points, 0.2 rebounds, 1 assist, 50% 3-point shooter, 33% 3-point shooter, 5 games played in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. L.A. Tenorio, playing head coach, 5'9", 152 pounds, 41 years old, 3.5 points, 1.5 rebounds, 3 assists, 40% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter, 2 games played in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards: Paul Lee, veteran star, 6 feet, 200 pounds, 37 years old, 5.1 points, 2.9 rebounds, 3.5 assists, 0.7 steals, 29% 3-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Paulo Taha, 6 feet, 180 pounds, 35 years old, 1 point, 0.5 rebounds, 0.5 blocks, 100% free throw shooter, 6 minutes per game, 2 games played in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Peter Alfaro, sophomore, 5'11", 186 pounds, 27 years old, 3.8 points, 0.9 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.2 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa source na to ay tinatarget daw kunin ng Magnolia Hotshots ang sharpshooter free agent na si Ray Suerte ngayong Commissioner's Cup. Ray Suerte, free agent target, 6'3", 175 pounds, 31 years old, 2.8 points, 1.6 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.6 steals, 66% 3-point shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards: Rafael Verano, 6'3", 200 pounds, 28 years old, 3.3 points, 1.3 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.2 steals, 57% 3-point shooter, 9 games played in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Rome De La Rosa, 6'3", 185 pounds, 35 years old, 8.2 points, 2.8 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.5 steals, 31% 3-point shooter, 79% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Javi Gomez Deliano, rising star, 6'3", 193 pounds, 27 years old, 9.2 points, 3.8 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.2 blocks, 31% 3-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards: Chris Kuhn, rookie, 6'5", 209 pounds, 25 years old, 5.6 points, 3.8 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.5 steals, 31% 3-point shooter, 28% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Russell Escoto, 6'6", 200 pounds, 33 years old, 4.9 points, 1.7 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.1 steal, 40% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Xavier Lucero, star player, 6'6", 205 pounds, 26 years old, 17.1 points, 10.1 rebounds, 2 assists, 1.1 steals, 2 blocks, 28% 3-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa source na to, ay si Sanggalang nga daw at Carino ang gustong kunin ng Magnolia sa Terra Firma. Pero naunahan na nga ng Hinebra ang Magnolia kay Carino kaya't si Luis Sanggalang na nga lang daw ang gusto nilang makuha ngayong Commissioner's Cup. Luis Sanggalang, trade target this Commissioner's Cup, 6'4", 198 pounds, 28 years old, 12 points, 3.9 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 0.4 blocks, 29% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Centers: Ian Sanggalang, veteran star, 6'7", 212 pounds, 34 years old, 11.3 points, 5.6 rebounds, 2.1 assists, 0.5 steals, 0.4 blocks, 51 field goal percentage, 69% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Yukian Andrada, rookie, 6'6", 210 pounds, 24 years old, 12.5 points, 7 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter, 2 games played in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. James Laput, 6'10", 245 pounds, 29 years old, 4.6 points, 2.7 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.5 steals, 0.1 block, 45 field goal percentage, 73% free throw shooter in his PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Nuni Omot, replacement import, 6'9", 215 pounds, 31 years old, 11.7 points, 3.5 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 0.3 steals, 36% 3-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 China CBA season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best game highlights ng bagong import ng Magnolia Hotshots na si Omot, kung gaano nga ba siya kagaling na import. Ito ang official and updated complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots para sa 2026 PBA 50th Commissioner's Cup. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, makukuha kaya ng Magnolia ang mga tinatarget nilang players ngayong Commissioner's Cup? I-comment niyo na po yan sa baba.